Our lives are full of challenges, and we believe that life is a test. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, and surely we shall test your steadfastness with fear and hunger, and the loss of wealth, lives, and fruits. However, Islamic teachings provide us with valuable guidance to overcome them. First, there is the concept of sabr or patience. The Quran teaches us this, that patience is essential in difficult time. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Al-Baqarah, keep help through patience and prayer. Indeed, Allah is with the patient. And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, a Muslim is not one who is distressed, worried, and panic stricken. This means we should stay strong and keep our faith during tough time. So be always patient and trust in Allah's plan. Another important teaching is tawakkul or trusting in Allah. This means relying on Allah while also doing our best. Allah says, whoever relies on Allah, He is sufficient for him. This trust helps us feel secure, knowing Allah is always with us. So put your trust in Allah and know that He is always with you. The life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also teaches us about resilience. He faced many hardship, challenges, and adversity, but he always remained strong and hopeful. His example inspires us to keep going even when things are hard. And community support is crucial too. In Islam, the community or ummah is like a family. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, the believers are like one body. When any part hurts, the whole body feels it. This reminds us that we are not alone and we should support each other. So, in conclusion, Islamic teachings guide us through patience, trust in Allah, resilience, and community support. By following these teachings, we can face life's challenges with strength and faith. Knowing each challenge brings us closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the strength to overcome our struggle and make us better Muslim.